In great ways to make sure things go smoothly in the morning. We want to start the day off right. So the morning routine really sets the tone for the rest of the day, and starting the day right is not just about getting things right, it's about setting up things the day before. So here's a good tip: plan things the night before. You could set out your oil pulling. You could make sure you've got plenty of filtered water. You could make a chia pudding ahead of time. You could batch make some smoothies or some juices ahead of time. You could already have your yoga mat out in your living room, so you can easily jump on the yoga mat and do some stretches. You've really got two choices in the morning. You can start by running the morning nice and calm and pre-planned, or you can rush about in chaos and wonder why you didn't set these things up before. So taking a few moments the night before to plan your morning is a really good way to help things go more smoothly and to give you more energy. Waking up a little bit earlier I know it's sometimes hard, but if you wake up 10 minutes earlier every morning, then by the end of the week you would have achieved an extra 30-40 minutes, which certainly gives you enough time to do a bit of stretching, do some affirmations, do a bit of yoga. Wake up immediately. Look, if you hit the snooze button and you go back to sleep, you're losing energy. If you head back to sleep, and you're going to lose 30 to 40% of energy. So wake up and get up. As soon as you get up, make your bed so it's not so enticing to go back to bed. And draw the curtains so you're getting that light in instantly. Stretching and smiling is a really good way to wake up the body, flood your body with endorphins, make you feel good. We spend so long in our lives hunched over computers, hunched over mobile phones. When we look up, we smile, we stretch, few big deep breaths, so important to setting up your day right. Now, the first thing you do, definitely have a nice big glass of water. That's going to help, really release any toxins from your liver, help with your digestive system, help to hydrate your body before breakfast, so your body is hydrated enough to digest your food. Brushing your teeth straight away. So I always I get up first thing in the morning, have a glass of water, and then I will do oil pulling, which is a fantastic technique for supporting the digestive system, supporting the saliva, supporting the mouth tissues, and especially if you're prone to candida or any sort of gut discomfort, then doing oil pulling is a great way to calm things down. I always have a scoop of coconut oil into the mouth. It softens very quickly, and you could add a couple of drops of tea tree oil or peppermint oil. Is fantastic for the gums, and swirling that around in your mouth, doing this sort of thing for up to 10 minutes is very, very good. Now, when you spit that out, you don't want to be spitting that out down the drain. You can spit that out over your veranda or in your garden. But oil pulling is a very good way to support your energy and your digestive system. I always follow that up with some tongue scraping. Your tongue will tell you a lot about the health of your digestive system. So scraping any coating off the top of your tongue is a really good way to certainly make you feel more kissable and certainly make you feel more energized. And then brushing your teeth immediately. Part of your morning routine before breakfast rather than after breakfast is a great way to freshen up your breath, increase your mental alertness, and activate your senses. Let the light in your kitchen, in your living room. Pull back the curtains. Let all those natural lights in, because it'll help you feel happy and more positive. And letting a little bit of light in the morning can help you transition away from feeling down and tired. So hopefully there's been some good tips there. Please feel free to share, and if you've got any questions, reach out to me, and thanks for watching.